Software compliance audits are slow, expensive, and often become outdated as soon as the code changes. Most compliance tools only produce a checklist, leaving developers to locate the problem and implement every fix themselves. Compliance Autopilot changes that. It is a Qwen cloud-powered agent system that scans a real software repository, detects regulatory compliance gaps, generates corrected code, and can deliver the approved fixes through a real GitHub pull request. To begin, I select an industry and country. The platform automatically loads the relevant, source-backed regulation pack. I can use the GDPR baseline, country-specific requirements, or paste a custom regulation or internal company policy. I then select a demonstration project or provide a public GitHub repository. When the scan begins, a coordinated agent workflow runs in real time. The regulation parser uses Qwen 3.7 Max to convert legal text into structured software requirements. The codebase analyzer uses Qwen 3.7 Plus to understand the repository's data models, storage, endpoints, security controls, and personal data flows. The gap detector maps every requirement to evidence from the actual source code. The remediation engine then generates an actionable remediation plan and a corrected version of the affected file. Progress from every stage is streamed live to the interface using WebSockets. Here is the system architecture. The front end is built with React, Vite, React Router, Recharts, and Lucide. It communicates with a Python fast API backend through REST APIs and WebSockets. The backend uses Pydantic and SQL Alchemy with SQLite for the demonstration and a PostgreSQL-compatible database design. The orchestration layer coordinates the specialized agents, calls Qwen Cloud through Alibaba Cloud's Scope API, records model and token metadata, and stores the resulting evidence, findings, scores, and remediation plans. The application is containerized with Docker and Docker Compose. Nginx serves the front end, Fast API provides the application services, and the complete system is deployed on Alibaba Cloud ECS. The GitHub REST API provides repository access, branch creation, and pull request automation. After the scan, the platform displays a compliance confidence score, requirement-by-requirement findings, exact file and line references, agent provenance, and the models used during the analysis. For each gap, I can inspect the original code, review the generated correction, and examine the proposed diff. Because compliance decisions should not be completely autonomous, remediation remains pending until a human reviews and approves it. Once approved, Compliance Autopilot creates a new branch, pushes the corrected files, and opens a real GitHub pull request. The agent takes the workflow from an ambiguous regulation to a reviewable engineering change, while the human retains the final decision. Compliance does not end after one scan. The platform supports scheduled rescans, GitHub push webhooks, regression detection, a continuous integration compliance gate, and a live README badge. It can also export audit reports, remediation guides, patch files, and privacy policy clauses. Compliance Autopilot is built for the Autopilot agent track because it automates a valuable business workflow end-to-end, uses external tools, handles ambiguous inputs, and places human approval at the most important decision point. It turns compliance from a static report into a continuous, actionable engineering workflow.